Welcome to our exploration of cutting-edge technology in the world of automation. In recent years, the trend of integrating drives directly with motors has gained significant momentum. This approach is designed to optimize space utilization within electrical panels and reduce wiring complexities, ultimately leading to considerable savings in both materials and assembly time. How does a wireless linear motor axis work? Thanks to advancements in compact driver technology, it's now feasible to incorporate the driver directly into the moving carriage of a linear motor axis. To enhance this setup, a Wi-Fi module is integrated, enabling the wireless transmission of control instructions. This eliminates the need for traditional communication wiring, streamlining operations especially as the number of axes increases or when remote control and monitoring via mobile apps are necessary. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned for more updates on how technology is transforming industries, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.